I'm going to talk a little bit about this home setup I have here. I'm currently standing at my kitchen countertop. I like this workspace because there's lots of natural light that comes in from over those windows over there. It's at a perfect standing height, so I won't get any aches in my back. Plus, I've been sitting around all day in quarantine, so might as well stand a little bit. I've got this cardboard duct tape to the countertop. That makes a really good workspace for wedging or hand building because your clay won't stick, kind of like a canvas board or the concrete countertops we have at the studio. I also have it duct taped onto here because I know it'll just come off with a little bit of Goo Gone because it's on the countertop. But if you're worried, you can use like masking tape or painter's tape or something like that. Alright, so I also have a bunch of just household objects as my tools because you don't need any special pottery tools to make stuff. There's plenty of things, especially in the kitchen, that you can use. And since our clay is non-toxic, you can rinse it off really well and just use it for food again afterwards. So I've got a spoon, which is great for smoothing and hollowing, some forks. I actually found this tiny little doll's fork in my kitchen, so that's a great scratching and scoring tool. Plastic knife. You can use a regular knife, but that's going to be a dedicated clay tool from now on. Cookie cutters. You use them just like you would use a cookie cutter. Dental floss works wonderfully for cutting things, like a cut wire. And also for making tools such as like an angle cutter that I'm going to talk about a little bit in another video. And I've got this credit card here. I've already cut it. One side is serrated. Sorry, my dog is playing right behind me and making some noise. And I use the flat side for smoothing things out. So this is great if you use it for scoring and stuff and making a rough surface, but I can also lay it flat and kind of get that interesting carved pattern as well. So that's a fun tool. Oh, another thing we're going to talk about is this wooden spoon paddle thing and plastic wrap.